Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you how you can easily fix this error. So if you can see it, unable to download app, Facebook would not be downloaded at this time. So how you can fix it? So first thing, you need to check your internet connection. So just open the settings on your phone, just find here Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can do it with mobile data or cellular data, just turn off and turn on again. So after, just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to remove your app. So just tap on it, just choose remove app, and after just submit for doing this. After, just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write Facebook, and here you will see your Facebook app but not open but get. Just tap on get button and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Facebook. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.